In the previous video, part 1, I discussed the Dignity Act of 2023, which if turned into a law will help to fix many immigration problems that we're having now. One of which I'm focusing on is the ability for undocumented immigrants to gain legal status through the Dignity Program. So watch part 1 to get details on the Dignity Program. But after you finish the Dignity Program, you then move on to the Redemption Program that will allow you to solidify your permanent residence in the United States and gain a path to citizenship. You have to meet additional criteria after you've completed the Dignity Program to be able to successfully complete the Redemption Program. Participants in the Redemption Program will have to show that they have learned English, that they have learned U.S. civics, that they have contributed to their community through community service or volunteer work, or by making a payment of about $5,000 in additional funds in restitution, similar to what is required on the Dignity Program. The payments put into the Dignity Program and Redemption Program will then be used to help unemployed Americans. The Redemption Program will last for 5 years. So let's jump backwards to how the law will help undocumented agricultural workers to fix their status. So this will be through the Certified Agricultural Workers Program. So undocumented workers who have been working for many years in the industry will then be issued visas. This will be a 5.5-year visa, and it's renewable. So after completing these years as a certified agricultural worker, which will be 8 years for certified agricultural workers, or 4 years plus 10 years for undocumented or previously undocumented certified agricultural workers. And after meeting some of the criteria under the Dignity Act, which would be to pay back taxes and to be current on your background check, make sure that you pass that, as well as making restitution payments, the agricultural worker would then be able to gain permanent residence in the U.S. This is a bill that aims to achieve comprehensive immigration reform, which means that it also addresses other problems in our immigration system. There's so much I have to talk about that I have a part 3 where we're going to talk about how this bill addresses the border crisis, problems for asylum seekers, and the visa backlog.